Hello and welcome. My name is Jerry with Wall Mount World. Today on this how-to video, we're going to show you how to adjust the lateral shift. What I mean by that is taking the arm assembly and moving it across the wall plate to your left or to the right for centering. Now on the top of the plate as well as the bottom, you got holes drilled. This arm assembly can go left or right for 12 inches in 2-inch increments. With the mount laying flat on the floor, you'll take the 3 bolts out on the bottom and 3 on the top, turning them counterclockwise. There's no real order on which way to do it. Just grab them and usually when I get to the last bolt, I'll kind of hold up on the arm assembly just to keep it, with not as much pressure on the threads on the back. And I'll be lifting up. All right, the arm is loose. All right, now as you can see, this arm assembly, it can go left or right as needed for centering. We'll just put it back to the middle for now for the video. But as you can see, it will shift in 2-inch increments left or right. Now once you get it where you need it, you'll put your bolts back in. And what I'll do is, I'll just kind of lift up on the arm. Let's see if I'm going to do the top ones. I'll find the hole. Oh, one off, ain't I? We go right there. Line up the hole. Get one started on the top. On the bottom, I'm going to lift up on one of the arms, raise it up. Now I'll start putting in my other bolts. Just make sure when you're putting your bolts in that they do not cross thread. And when you tighten your bolts, you tighten them clockwise. I'm not tightening them up yet, I'm just getting them going in. Just getting them started. The last bolt. I like magnetic screwdrivers, sometimes they can make it a little tough. Again, we're tightening up, turning it to the right. Now we got all 6 bolts in, or screws. Snug them down. I always put all 6 back. Don't leave none out. Alright. I hope this video was helpful to you in adjusting your wall plate and arm assembly. If you have any questions or comments, contact us at sales@wallmountworld.com. And if you would, share it with your friends and family. Again, my name is Jerry and I'd like to thank you.